Yeah, that's definitely an old water buffalo right there because it's a little chewy. The meat is okay, but there's a lot of tendons and stuff that aren't broken down. I think we've got some ankle here. This is just like pure tendon. It's soft and crunchy at the same time. What's up, guys? So we're going out tonight on a Friday night, trying to find a place called bulalo, and it's a carabao soup.
Yeah, carabao bulalo.
Bulalo.
That's why it's bulalo carabao. Then chong is the last name of the owner.
Ah, okay. So it's bulalo, carabao, and then chong is the owner. Interesting. Okay, that's like all the names here in the Philippines. If you go to an eatery, it's like J Tay. It's like the husband is Jay, the wife is Tay.
Yeah.
And it's their eatery.
Or a last name.
Yeah, with their last name. Like I've been to a place, I've seen a lot of places called Jam, and then I went trying to buy some strawberry jam, but that was just their name, and I was very confused. They were confused, but figured it out. So we will go there, try to have some delicious bulalo soup, and then maybe try to vlog it, I guess.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see you in a bit. So we're pulling up the bulalo now. Let's get a look. She's not biting on me. She's hungry. All right. So we go inside to order.
There's something.
Or we order out here. Little girl ran up to me. Ay, nako. So I've actually had this place before. It's pretty good. But I don't think I posted that video, so we'll have to maybe get that another time posted. What'd they say?
The ready-to-serve food is only bulkachong, but they have the ready-to-serve food is bulkachong, but they have other menu which they're gonna cook if you wanna order.
Well, we just wanted bulkachong,
Yeah,
right?
I already ordered bulkachong.
Cool. 2?
2,
How many rice?
3, 2 for you, 1 for me.
Okay. Well, we'll be right back.
Oo, diba?
Wow, it's big.
That's only for you.
Oh, the marrow is already in there.
Okay.
And then soup. Rice. Some chilies.
Filipinos always have sauce on the food.
So this one comes with a bowl of sauce and an extra bowl.
That's unlimited sauce. Or sabaw.
Only sabaw, okay.
Whatever you like.
Which you think is yours bigger than mine?
Pick yours.
Is it green onions?
Okay. What? I can't finish.
So it's water buffalo soup, basically. Carabao. I don't know, let's try it out. Let's try the soup first. What's in here? Oh, little chunks of meat. Oh, it's super rich, yeah. It's like a very delicious beef soup, which I guess is what it is. It's red. I wonder if that's like, they put tomatoes in here?
Or maybe some coloring.
Maybe some coloring? Okay. What, you want to try it? What do you think?
It's really good for like hangover.
Yeah.
You usually go here after drinking.
Sure. Yeah, this place is open till 1 a.m., which is nice. There's not a lot of late night food spots, so this is a good one for that.
This is what you want.
Yeah. Do you want to try the meat? Ooh. So I'm gonna try the meat alone. difference?
I can taste the difference.
Yeah.
Okay, it's just the same.
All right, let's give it a shot. Yeah, that's definitely an old water buffalo right there because it's a little chewy. The meat is okay, but there's a lot of tendons and stuff that aren't broken down. But in terms of the flavor, it's delicious.
Yeah, the joint.
It's a big soup too. This is $1.90, which is like $3 for the soup, and you get unlimited sabao. They also have kinilaw for $100, so if you want like ceviche, it's pretty good. I don't know if you can hear the music. There's a big music venue like just across the street, basically. So, what's your rating out of 10, baby?
I really like food like this. So it's always 10, especially it has a lot of sabaw.
Yeah. Of course, Filipinos love sabao, so it's perfect for them, for her. Yeah, I would say this is a 9 out of 10. Really good, classic Filipino style food. It's a good little location. You can see it's in like an old house. Apparently there's inside prices for aircon and then outside prices for no aircon.
20 pesos difference.
What?
20 pesos
20
difference.
pesos. Yeah, we saw that in the ad. It went Lobos? Laob? Laob? Itmos? Okay, well, I'm still learning. But yeah, they run the aircon no matter what. But if you want to sit in the aircon, it's 20 pesos more. So yeah, we'll probably do this and maybe walk around. You want to get halo halo after this? Okay, we'll see if we're still hungry after this. We'll see you later. I think we've got some ankle here. This is just like pure tendon. It's soft and crunchy at the same time. The taste is good, but the texture is very strange. Yeah, it's like a delicious piece of rubber, but it was good. All right. Get some of this. You want to try it?
No.
You had bone marrow before?
But not with carabao.
Is it good?
Yeah.
It's so fatty.
But you know, it's not very healthy.
No, it's like pure fat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just tastes very fatty. It's good though. So you got the nice bone marrow, you got some ankle tendons, you got some good like shoulder joint meat. She said she wasn't gonna eat all her meat, but her bowl was almost empty. And my bowl, this is me. That's her. What do you have to say about that?
Good thing I ordered two.
Yeah, or she would have eaten all mine, and I would still be hungry. But I had dinner earlier, so I'm not as full. But okay, now for real, we're gonna finish. Hey, so we're in the Rizal Park area. Is that it?
City Hall.
City Hall. Yeah, you can see City Hall Park. It's actually a nice area. It's kind of rare to have public spaces like this in the Philippines, like big public spaces where people can hang out. But the City Hall is here. I guess that helps. But there's kind of two small parks next to each other, basically the same park. And then one building over, there's another park for kids where there's like kind of playground stuff. But yeah, it's a nice little park.
Rizal Park on the
Rizal.
The left is the Rizal Park.
What's the other one?
Where there?
This one.
It's just the City Hall.
The city.
Is there a name for it? I don't know.
Well, I think there is a name for it, but it's technically all the same thing. So anyway, We're on our way to, you can't see me. Let's see. We're on our way to get halo halo now. So we'll see you in a second.
What do you want?
They all look good. What are you gonna get?
Halo halo. And what
The
else?
classic?
Yeah.
Do they have the coffee con yellow?
Where is it again? Ah,
Coffee con yellow?
Available yung halo-halo o coffee con yellow? It's not available. What else? Here's like second one.
Cookies and cream?
Ang cookies and cream, isa ka halo-halo o isa ka cookies and cream.
So they have spaghetti and halo halo. That's like going to Baskin Robbins and them having Alfredo. Interesting.
Sa asa nga ko sa nito ring halo-halo.
Oo, kanina hapon.
Sa ka klase ko sa ka
Cookies and cream.
So they have it?
Yeah.
And then there's some barbecue out here. This is a little elementary school. And then, yeah, nice little place to stop on the way home, getting done for the night. So we'll cut from here and we'll see you when we eat. Cookies and cream. And she got the,
Classic halo
I
halo.
don't know what's prettier, her or the ice cream. Probably the ice cream.
Okay. Fine, you eat the ice cream.
Ooh, it's even got penny pig, which is like Rice Krispies.
And this has what do you call
Cornflakes.
cornflakes?
You wanna try it?
Ice cream first. Uy, that's good ice cream. I think you will like this.
It's Selecta.
Wow. He knows the brand na. We're gonna see Selecta again.
Yeah. But the ube is good. Very delicious. Get some gulaman. Maybe.
Gulaman is like jelly. Jelly in America, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't know what flavor it is, but it's an interesting texture. It's good. This is one of your favorite halo halo places, right?
Yeah. We tried here once.
Uh-huh. Maybe we'll go to the other one in Matina Square soon.
The
Aling
Aling Flings?
Poping, something.
Whatever.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna enjoy this, guys.